This one is for Manon. Arkineso is fast, but Manon is fast. See? Nalagpak ng yelo. Si Arkineso is the second. I knew it. Ah, it's Tito who fell down. Tito. Next will be from here. This one is blue. This one is blue. Yeah. This one is blue. This one is blue. Oh, the blue one not joining us. They changed. Oh, this one is Imchuk. Black. This one is black. This one is black. But let's go. Fast. Oh yeah. Oh, not blocking me. Oh, white jump. No, I thought Imchuk will win. Oh, Jihad. Jihad. Then the blue one or the red one? The blue one or the red one? Red one is Jihad. Okay. But the St. Jude also fast. The small one. He's fast also.
But not fast as the red one.
Okay, we will see. Right? Yeah. Jihad now. Jihad brother. See, both of them, see? Two of them. Two of them are competing. See? Yeah, blue and red. But my team not anymore. My white one. This one, Kitten, plus points. Is that 5? No. Oh, 3 one is there. Oh, the blue one. This one is for blue one. Yeah, this one is for blue one. Not yet. This one, see how the blue will go. See, the blue one, I told you. This one, who will win this? Where's the white one? The small one? Not Joshua? Yeah, I give them. Let them. We will see if white one will, my team will win. Not yet. Not yet. FM. But the white one is fast. Oh, white one, yeah. a white one. What's the name? Alright, and got 5 points plus. Third. What's the name of the one? Kasi cover his face. This one is Katsun versus Marsun. Oh, Katsun. Katsun and Marsun. Marsun and the red one is Marsun. See, told them, I told you. Katsun and Marsun. Katsun will receive 3 points and Marsun. This one, who's this? Without a clothes. Without a t-shirt, who's that? MJ? No. Mitch, I don't know. I think the black one will win the small one. We will see. Because I don't need the others. Or the red one also. See the black one? I told you. Black one, hurry up. Black one, hurry up. See? Black one. See? Black one. Black one and red. He's young, but he's fun. But he almost fell down. But he didn't work. Mas basket yung black, gamay. Ako manok. May manok. Saan naman yun? Linita na po.
Hi! Okay.